Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about probability, mutually exclusive events. Question 8. These beads from Daniel's broken bracelet were put into a bag. She took one from the bag at random. Which of these pairs of events are mutually exclusive? So let's pretend that these beads are in a bag and she's going to take one of these beads, or which of these pairs of events are mutually exclusive. Now we have a pair of events we're talking about here. I'm gonna give you like two events and check. We're gonna see like two events and check if they are mutually exclusive or not. This is the idea. So these beads are going to be inside a bag. We're going to pick one in random and check the events. If it's mutually exclusive, we're going to say yes. Or let's write ME or not, okay? Let's not confuse ourselves by saying yes, no, they don't meet or they don't happen together. So yes, it's mutually exclusive. Let's write ME next to it. Like this, we can say it's not mutually exclusive or yes, it is, okay? Now, first things first, let's start with these two events here. Let's make it like this. Now, A says the bead is E. The bead is E. This is the first event here. Put it here. And the second event, the bead is purple. As you can see here, we have two events. The bead is E and the bead is purple. Now, my question is that do these events meet in one bead or not? And remember guys, they have to meet in one bead to not be mutually exclusive. But if they don't meet at all, it means they are mutually exclusive. Okay? So these two events, if they meet in one bead, it means it's not mutually exclusive. Now let's take a look at the beads. Can I find a bead which has a letter E on it and purple at the same time? Of course, it's here. So these events happen at the same time, so they're not mutually exclusive. So what I'm going to do is write not mutually exclusive. I will write not ME, okay? Because they happen at the same time. They're not exclusive one for each other. Now, second one, let's check. We have two events. We have the bead is red and the bead is blue. Okay, let me move this. The bead is blue. So I have two events here. The bead is red and the bead is blue. What do you think? Is it mutually exclusive or not? Now, red bead and blue beads, they don't happen at the same bead, right? So, because they don't happen at the same time, it means yes, they are mutually exclusive. So I write yes. Or I don't have to write yes, I will write ME, which means mutually exclusive. Now let's go on to the next one. Here we have the bead is one of the letters DIN. I'll make a big rectangle on it. So this is the first event. The bead is one of the letters DIN. And the second event is that the bead is red. Let me put it like this. Good. Now we have two events. The bead is one of the letters DIN and the bead is red. Now I will check the beads. If I find a red bead that has any one of these letters, it means they're not mutually exclusive. Now let me check. I found this. A red bead with the letter D on it. So these events are not mutually exclusive. So I will write not ME. Very good. So they're not mutually exclusive because they can happen at the same time. Now let's take a look at the last one. The last one is D. The bead is a vowel, as you can see here. Let's put it here. The bead is a vowel, and then the bead is red. The bead is red. Now, if I find a red bead that has a vowel on it, it means they're not mutually exclusive. But if they don't meet at all, they are mutually exclusive. Now, let's look for red beads. We have this and this, D and L. So because I have D and L, I don't have any vowels. That means that these two events are mutually exclusive. So I will write M-E next to them. And this is how you answer a question like this. So the idea of being mutually exclusive or having two mutually exclusive events, it means that they don't meet at all. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.